Ever bought a camera, turned it on, pressed record, and somehow your video still looks like it was filmed on a potato? Yeah, same here. So if you're using the Minolta MND23 and wondering what the best settings actually are to get the most out of it, stick around because after testing this camera for everyday shooting, I found a few simple tweaks that seriously improve the results. First thing I always recommend, set your video to 4K resolution. This camera can shoot in 4K Ultra HD, which instantly makes your footage look sharper and more detailed than regular HD. Even if you plan to upload to YouTube or social media, starting with 4K gives you cleaner footage and more room to crop if needed. Now let's talk about scene modes. The MND23 actually includes 9 different scene modes, and honestly, this is one of the easiest ways to improve your shots without touching complicated settings. Shooting outdoors, use landscape mode. Filming people, switch to portrait. The camera automatically adjusts exposure and color so you don't have to play photographer genius. Now here's a setting many people overlook, digital image stabilization. Turn this on whenever you're filming handheld. It helps reduce the little shakes that happen when you're walking or holding the camera. Without stabilization, your footage can look like you drank 3 cups of coffee before filming. Another important one is autofocus with face detection. When this is active, the camera automatically locks focus on faces and smiles. I noticed this works especially well for selfies or vlog style videos because it keeps the subject sharp without constantly adjusting focus. Speaking of selfies, the dual screen setup is actually super useful. Flip to the selfie display so you can see yourself while recording. No more guessing whether your head is cut off or if you're accidentally filming the ceiling. Finally, use the 16 times digital zoom carefully. It's great for bringing distant subjects closer, but the sweet spot is usually between 2 times and 5 times zoom if you want to keep your footage looking clean and detailed. So the quick setup I personally use: 4K recording, stabilization on, face detection enabled, and scene mode depending on the environment. Simple adjustments, but they make the Minolta MND23 perform way better. And trust me, once you dial in these settings, this little camera becomes a surprisingly fun travel companion. Now go try these things and hopefully your footage stops looking like it was filmed on a potato. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.